What's up, Trail Trash? Welcome back. On today's episode, I just wanted to kind of show you what I got going on this weekend. A few weeks ago, I had replaced my lower control arms and greased my upper control arms, which I have Total Chaos uppers and Dirt King lowers. And at the time, I had a squeak, and so my outer tie rods were shot. I went ahead and replaced those. Lower ball joints came with my new lower control arms, which are Dirt King, and I replaced the inner tie rods. Well, after I got everything put together and driving it a bit, still had some minor squeaking. So come to find out, I noticed I put the wrong grease in all of my bushings. So what I did starting yesterday, I took apart the driver's side and took out my bushings and just cleaned all of my bushings and everything. Got all the old grease off, and I'll show you. I have the passenger side off now. I just took it off, got cleaned up, and figured I'd do a video real quick. But I've got to clean all of this off and then grease it with super grease, which I have, and I had it. I had the wrong grease in my gun, and before I realized it, like, I did everything not really thinking about it. So, but yesterday I took everything apart on the driver's side here. So yeah, you can see this, and I went ahead and painted. I taped up everything around and touched up my frame, and we'll look at the frame first. It looks so much better, and I just painted the passenger side. Ooh. Yes, it looks a lot better. And this, my Apex Design spindle gussets, I have those powder coated in the bronze chrome. And so I took this bracket from King and I powder coated both of them in bronze chrome. So you can tell a little bit on the color, it's a little off. I like the color, kind of dark, but it's not black, but it blends in. It don't stick out. But I took all of the uppers off yesterday, cleaned it, put everything back together, took the Uniball, rolled it, sprayed silicone spray, dry silicone spray, just serviced everything. And Uniball looks great too. No wear on it. And like no issues with these so far. I heard really bad things about them, but they've been great for me. And let's see what else. Took my lower completely apart and took the bushings out of it and did the same thing. Super Lube everything. And so now I got it put back together. As soon as I put it back together and drove it, there were no squeaks. So now I'm on the passenger side, and you can see where I'm at. I've got the frame touched up, just got it taped, everything. It turned out good. One thing I did yesterday was when I got done on the other side, put everything back together, and I drove to town, went and got something to eat, went to Walmart, and I came back not thinking about anything until this morning when I take my wheel and tire off, and this is just hanging there because I had taken my bracket off to powder coat it with the other one, and it was the first time I drove my vehicle, and I forgot to put it back on to hold it in place. So luckily, nothing was torn, nothing beat up. The only thing was the sticker on this end got taken off by the tire marks, but I was able to clean my reservoir up and had a new sticker, so it'll be fine. But I got lucky on that. And I'm OCD, like painting once I torque everything, I put a paint mark on it and keep up with all of that stuff. And just, this totally slipped my mind. So I got lucky on this. But I've got the upper out, and the way I'm going to do this, I'm about to clean the upper bushings, redo all of it, get it in place, and then I will get the knuckle and spindle loose here and take out the outer tie rod, and I'll pull this back with the ratchet strap, and then I'll work the lower. So I'll take it out. I'll leave the shock holding it so that once I take it out, it won't fall. So anyway, that's where I'm at with it now, and that's what I'm doing this weekend. It was just a really stupid mistake on my part, just an oversight. And I'm sure I did the research. I could have ran the grease, but it's not good for it. So everything was in such good shape, I wanted to go ahead and just get it right so I don't have to worry about it. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. It helps me out. If you got any questions about the FJ or any of the stupid stuff I do, please leave it in the comments. And until next time, stay trashy.